Hey y'all, welcome to my second episode of Cookin with Kathie. Now today I'm going to be making easy, cheesy enchiladas. So I'm going to start off, I got my pan and then my corn tortillas. And there I have my cheeses. And next there's my enchilada sauce. And then I have butter to oil the bottom of my pan. So I'm going to start off by preheating my oven to 350 degrees. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my corn tortillas. I'm going to put them on a plate and I'm going to put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds to heat them up a bit so when I begin to roll them that they won't crack. Alrighty. So now that those are in the microwave, I'm going to go ahead and get my butter and I am going to rub it all over the bottom of the pan to keep my food from sticking as it cooks. You know, I think this is one of my favorite dishes in the whole wide world. What's your favorite recipe? Please drop me a comment and let me know. Okay, so now that I'm just about finished with oiling my pan, then I'm gonna go ahead and get my tortillas out and I'm gonna keep them covered with a paper towel until I'm ready to use them. Next, I'm gonna get my enchilada sauce and I'm gonna open that up. So what you think? Are you liking what you're seeing so far? If so, please hit the like button and leave me a comment and tell me so. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pour, well, maybe like half of the can of enchilada sauce into the bottom of the pan. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth and spread that all out and make it even in the pan. Some people make their enchilada sauce from scratch, but today this is going to be my easy, cheesy recipe. So I just decided I was going to use a can today, okay? Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese to my tortillas. After I did the first one, I found out that, I probably used a little bit too much cheese on that first tortilla because it started breaking and cracking. I decided that I should probably put the tortillas back in the microwave for about 30 more seconds so that they could get a little warmer so that the tortillas wouldn't crack. I also decided to use some sharp cheddar cheese to give my enchiladas a little bit more kick and flavor. Alrighty, so now I am going ahead and I am rolling the last few enchiladas and I'm going to add them to the pan. Now, I love to learn, so I would be interested in how you make your enchiladas or what ingredients you use that are different than mine. If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and tell me how you make your enchiladas. Okay, so I've finished rolling all the enchiladas and putting them in the pan. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the remaining enchilada sauce and I am going to pour that over the top. Now, I realize that probably I shouldn't have used as much sauce on the bottom so that I would have more to pour over the top and it could easily run down and drip down to the bottom. But I used what I had and I spread it out. I didn't want to open up a whole nother can of enchilada sauce just to add some to the top because I knew I wouldn't need it all. So as you can see, I'm adding my cheese. I started off with the sharp cheddar cheese and then I am finishing it off with the Mexican style cheese. And believe me, I love me some cheese. I don't eat this very often. So when I have enchiladas, I want to taste the cheese, okay? Now, some people like to add green onions, chives, or other toppings. What types of toppings do you like to add? Alrighty, so we are popping it in the oven and we are going to have it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And watch how fast it cooks. Whoa, amazing, right? That was the quickest 20 minutes I've ever seen. Alrighty, so now I'm trying to get this out the oven without burning myself and having the camera in the position so you could see it at the same time. So look at that, people. Check it out. I wish you could smell it. Oh, to the M and G. Ain't that something? I'm just gonna tell y'all, this is the first time I ever did cook this and it looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the first piece for my grandson. Yes, I am. Put yourself out there, straight on the weakest limb. Never hesitate to do something just because you haven't done it before. Because at the end of the day, the only thing you will have failed at, even if it doesn't work out well, is not trying. And I'm just going to tell y'all, this right here was a success. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.